On the What Do You Want to Do page, select Create a UK Non-Manipulation Document. You'll then be taken to the Exporter dashboard, where you can see documents that are in progress and have previously been completed. Select Create a New Non-Manipulation Document. You'll then be taken to the Your Progress page. Here you can select any of the sections and enter the data in an order that works best for you. Select Exporter Details. Enter your company name and the address. Select Save and Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the product details. Was the entry document issued in the UK? In this example, it was not. You then need to enter the issuing country and the entry document. And the weight on that entry document. Here you can enter any supporting documents. This remains optional. You then need to enter the FAO code or the species name and select from the drop-down list. Then need to enter the commodity code. You can do this by typing the code or the species name. Select from the drop-down menu. You then need to enter the product description. Then need to enter the net weight of the product on arrival. This is the weight of the whole product, including all other ingredients. Then need to enter the net weight of the fishery product on arrival. This is the weight of the fishery product only, without the other ingredients. Select Save and Continue. You will then be asked if you want to add another product. Select Yes and repeat the process as many times as needed. Once you have added all of your products, select No and Save and Continue. You'll then be asked how your consignment arrived in the UK. Select the transport mode used. Select Save and Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the details for this transport mode. Enter a freight bill number where applicable. Then need to enter the country of departure. This is the country that the truck left before it entered the UK. You then need to enter where the consignment left from, for example, the port or airport name. You then need to enter where the consignment was unloaded when it entered the UK. And the date that the consignment left the departing country. Select Save and Continue. You then need to enter the date that the consignment arrived in the UK and the storage facility name. You then need to add the storage facility address. Enter the storage facility postcode and select Find Address. Use the drop-down menu to select the address. If the address is not there, select I cannot find the address in the list and enter the address manually. Double check that the address is correct and select Continue. You will be taken back to the Add Storage Facility details. Once you are happy with the details, select Save and Continue. You will then be asked more storage facility details. If you have an approval number, enter it here. You will then be asked how the product was stored, chilled, frozen, or other. Select Save and Continue. You will then be asked about how the consignment left the UK. Select the transport type. save and continue. You then need to enter the consignment's destination. And where the truck is departing from the UK. If you have a container ID, you can enter it here. If you have multiple, you can select Add another container. You then need to select the date that the consignment is departing the UK. You must enter the truck nationality and the registration number. If you have a freight bill number, enter it here. Select Save and Continue. You will then be asked about the weights of the consignment when it departs the UK. These boxes will be automatically populated with the weights of the consignment when it arrived. If the consignment has been split, you can change the weights on this page. If you are happy with the weights, select I confirm. You will then be taken back to Your Progress page. Once every section is complete, select Check Your Answers and Submit. You will then be taken to the Check Your Information page. Check the details of your consignment, and when you are happy, select Accept and Create Storage Document. You can use this link here to download the PDF.